Lot number 123 is a 2008 Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor. This one is rough. It's been out of service for almost 2 years. I connected the jump box on here. It turns over, it doesn't start. I sprayed it with starting fluid. It starts for a second and shuts right off. I poured a little fuel directly into the intake, and I still can't keep it running for more than a second or two. So my battery's running a little low. There is fuel in the intake right now. I'm gonna go ahead and hit the key, see if I can get it to start so you can hear it. The engine sounds like it has a steady misfire. It's not happy. Let's see. It starts up and quickly shuts off. So it's being sold as is. This one is a junk candidate. 158,000 miles, 11,955 engine hours. Mechanical conditions are unknown. The engine, transmission, and exhaust system all appear to be in place. Something's squirting in here when I was turning it over. Not sure what it is. Maybe fuel, maybe oil. This one is rough. All 4 tires are dry rotted. I put a little air in there hoping I was gonna be able to drive it. But they're all flat and they're all dry rotted. A lot of cracks. Not safe to drive down the road, but I don't think this was driving anywhere. That rear window doesn't go up or down, so water's been getting inside. It's a shame because this one does have a black vinyl rear seat, but the seat is hard and dry, and something's been living in here. It smells like rodents. This one is really rough. The body itself is straight, but the paint looks rough. The decals were removed. It looks like it was painted over with a thick coat of black paint. And it's got scratches all over. Tinted windows are peeling. All 4 doors are dry rotted. Headlights are dull. The body is straight. Maybe you can use a couple doors out of it. The hood, front bumper, headlights are dull, but the front bumper doesn't appear to be cracked. The rear bumper may be usable. The trunk lid has a hole from an antenna that was left behind. And the rear bumper's cracked right here. So this is a parts vehicle, or this is good for recycling. Interior is very rough. No rear door panels. It's got the plastic door panel delete. And driver's seat is torn. Passenger seat looks good. You can see something's been living in here. It's this one's bad. All right, well, that's all I got to say about that. It's lot number 123. This is a junk candidate. It's got 158,000 miles, and the mechanical conditions are unknown. Good luck.